How's your drive?
Good, good, good. Yeah, you too. How you been?
Good.
Good, good.
You all right?
Yeah, good,
Awesome.
good. Yeah. Ready to go? Yeah,
I'm
ready
psyched.
to go. Ready?
Let's make it happen.
All right. So I'm in the excavation business mainly, up in Moultonburg, New Hampshire, and then started a little firewood business on the side back in 2000. Basically started with a chainsaw and a wood splitter and a little something to do on the side, and it's grown into a full-blown business.
This is a big purchase for him. Our typical customer is a single point operator or a family company. So in order to make sure that they're getting not only the right product but the right relationship, they got to take time. And it's taken almost 2 years for Rob to come here today, and I'm super excited.
He's been nothing but great, getting right back to me, answering my questions, never made me feel like I was bugging him, you know, with some stupid little question here or there, knowing that right at the moment I probably wasn't going to buy a machine, but I told him, listen, my end goal is to own one of these.
Our customers have a desire, they want to come here to, I don't want to say consummate the relationship, but that's basically what it is. They want to shake hands, they want to say hello, they want to know that the people that they're doing the business with are the people that they're doing the business with. I think it's really important in today's day and age that the relationship remains important. That's my grandfather's way of doing things.
They got a really nice setup here, everything's made in-house, and I'll tell you, they got some really good craftsmen here. What you're getting for the money, nobody else out there can touch it. I don't want to own something and feel like the company I bought it from, once I leave, I was just another number. You know, if I need to talk to them, I've been in positions where you call a place and they're, who are you? And you're like, seriously? But I don't get that feeling from Patrick and Chris at all.
We're a small, family-owned, family-operated manufacturer, which in the United States is pretty odd these days. There aren't as many of us as there used to be. So it's an exciting opportunity to do some really special things for people.
I totally understand the whole aspect of the family business, and you know, he built something from the ground up like, you know, Dad did with us. It means a lot to me. You know, you get that one-on-one feeling, which I love. You don't get that a lot these days.
How you doing?
Hello, Chris. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Rob.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Big day.
Yeah?
Big day. Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Pretty
Celebrate?
excited. Yeah, maybe.
Get a bottle on the way home?
Yeah. A couple
You should always have a couple of snorts before you run the machine.
Yeah, the crown bottle isn't very far away.
Back to work.